It is about 5 a.m. I went to bed around 1 a.m. I am so tired, but we're gonna have a flipping yard sale, so let's do it. Alright, been up since 5 a.m. I am very tired. I'm gonna go get a coffee. I'm in my mom's car, which I don't love, but here we are. I'm excited to drive. I'm so tired. I don't really know how to drive my mom's car, in all honesty. Yeah, it's about 7:30 now. And I'm covered in bug bites. Covered. I feel so gross. I literally didn't think I could feel grosser than I did at orientation, but here we are. So, alright. Are you exploring? Are you exploring? Come on. This way. Oh, shit. Alright, we are now moved inside. I gave the dog a little bath. She's very thrown off because she wants to be outside, but should be like very overstimulated. So we're chilling inside because she cries if she's by herself. She just wants to be part of the action. But we're Jay chillin', right, Chooch? Choo-choo, come here, come here. She could not be less concerned with me. Chooch. What? Hello? Hello? Are you okay? My mom's like thing right now is flowers. So we have some sunflowers in the room. She gets them once a week to treat herself. Really just the most Kelly Haynes thing. God help her. Okay, so some time has passed. It is about like 4:10 right now. We just finished with the yard sale. My bed is not made behind me. Yeah, we just got finished with the yard sale and like put everything away and stuff. We're donating the rest of it tomorrow. I have to leave in about 15 minutes for a meeting. I'll be honest, I'm not excited about it. My parents are gonna have some spaghetti for me waiting when I come home, and then I'm just gonna watch some Netflix and go to flip in bed, and I'm really excited about it. Alright, so I have showered and just kind of gotten ready for work. Do we love the mess? We love the mess. I'm just planning out my week now. Got my lovely planner in front of me, got a bus schedule. Good times. Good morning. It is about 7:30, 7:15-ish, and I am getting ready to go to the beach. I'm so excited. Yesterday I literally got home from work. I worked 9 hours at an ice cream shop, and I came back and I went right to bed. I showered and then I went right to bed. So today I'm going to the beach. I'm so excited, and yeah. Finally made it. I got very lost and then didn't have cash to pay for parking, so I had to go to an ATM. So it took me about an hour and 15 minutes to get here. This is the third beach I've tried, but now we're here. I'm gonna go lay, get some color. It's gonna be a good day. Okay, will this work if yeah, the lighting's kind of funky, but that's okay. So I got back from the beach, had a bagel, went to my dad's office to print something, printed it. Now I am in Cambridge. I drove back. I'm gonna take a spin class, and then I have a meeting
at 6:30 to 8:30 in Boston, so that's the reason I came down here, and I just figured I'd throw in a spin class because why the heck not? I burnt myself at the beach. Like, my back is burnt. I think that's really the only place I did burn, but it hurts, so that's good. Yeah, I just parked. I am a solid 40 minutes early, but it's better than being late, so I think I'm just gonna like sit on a bench because it's such a nice day, and then go to spin. So, yay!
Okie dokie. I made it home. I am so burnt in the weirdest, like, half my face is burnt, the tip of my nose is burnt, like my armpits, my legs. It literally hurts to like stand because like the back of my legs are fried. I don't think I burnt this badly since like 2 years ago. Like, dude, this is ridiculous. Like, just very random places. Alright, but my parents kindly put my air conditioners in, so that's nice. But I'm gonna hit pay now. Okie dokie, good morning. It is about like 11 now. I have been grinding. I got out of bed at 9, so I slept in a little bit. But I haven't stopped. I've literally been doing emails and doing a little bit of unpacking. I'm gonna do more of that later. I'm now gonna set up a savings account and update my expense spreadsheet. Yeah, just trying to be financially responsible. What else? I sent my first email as official student body vice president, and I have my own little signature. It was really cute. It was a moment. It was a nice moment. Yeah. All right. That's all. Okay, so it is about like 7:15, 7:30 maybe, and I think I'm literally gonna get into bed. I'm a very sleepy gal. I don't really know. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna watch some Netflix, wash my face. I'm in PJs. I'm in really soft PJs, which feels really nice in my sunburn. Yeah, I'm about to use some more anti-itch cream. This is a current favorite. Oh, I just threw it across my room, but basically I'm gonna smother my body in that because I am still itchy from bug bites, but I'm now also in pain from being burnt. So it's really just a lot of feelings going on in my body, but yeah.